Welcome student. Now we continue our last lecture. That last lecture was on the DVD and CD, and then advantages of CD and DVD. Now we just move on next topic, that is the types of the DVD. Right? So there are basically three types of DVD. That is the DVD-R. DVD-R DL means dual layer, and DVD read and write. Basically there are three types, but it is subdivided and it's make a 6 type. Okay, so first of all, DVD-R and DVD-R plus. So DVD-R and DVD-R plus, that both are used for storage devices, but what is the basic functionality of DVD-R and DVD-R plus? That is DVD-R and DVD-R plus, you can write only one time. Means you can write a data only one time, but you can read a data multiple times. Next to that, DVD read and write and DVD read and write plus. In the read and write, it is upgradation of DVD-R. In the DVD-R, in the capacity of DVD-R, you can just write a data only one time, and then you can use it. Otherwise you can play it in multiple times, right? But in a DVD read and write means you can read a data multiple times and you can write a data multiple times. Okay, so the storage capacity of read and write both are the same, that is a 4.7 gigabyte. Okay, but the basic difference is that here DVD-R and R plus, you just read a data multiple times and write a one time. It means suppose you use a DVD-R for storing a movie, right? So whenever you write a movie in that DVD, you just write one times, but you can play and show multiple times. In the DVD read and write means R and W, you can read the data multiple times and you can write a data multiple times. But what is the basic difference between a DVD-R and DVD-R plus? So in the DVD-R, the spiral use bits and length, but in the DVD-R plus, the spiral use frequency, that is depending on a wobble frequency. Now what is a bits and what is a length? We just discussed about its structure. So it is a physical structure of CD, DVD and Blu-ray disc. First of all, we just move on CD, structure of CD. Okay, so we all know how the look CD. Okay, it is a physical design of CD. You can easily see the design of CD, and it is easily available in the market. Okay, but CD, it is divided on three layers. The bottom layer, it is called a polycarbonate layer. The upper layer of polycarbonate, it is called a reflective layer, and then top of layer, it is called a protective layer. So right now you have a clear idea about this CD. There are a CD, it's divided on three layers: polycarbonate layer, reflective layer and protective layer. Okay, so just read here: CD made from 1.2 millimeter thick polycarbonate plastic material, right? It is a polycarbonate plastic material. A thin layer of aluminium or gold applied to the surface, right? उसकी जो surface है उसमें thin layer applied होता है, that is either in aluminium otherwise gold. CD is represented as a tiny indentation as known as a pits, and the encoded in the spiral track module in the top is a polycarbonate layer, right? So there are two words, pits and lens. Pits means what? Whenever laser reflected and it is reflect on individual dots, that is called a pits. Here you can see the diagram of bits and line. Suppose it is a zoom structure of CD, so you can clearly see that the light is reflected on particular portion of the CD. Okay, and then suppose it is reflected, so it is represented as a 1, otherwise it is not reflected, that is indicates as a 0. Whenever it is reflected, it means it bit, and whenever it not reflected, it's called a length. So that's why after reflection data is encoded as a 1010, means binary form. Next one is that DVD. DVD means the full form, we all know the full form of DVD, that is a digital versatile disc, otherwise digital video disc, right? It is upgraded because of its size. CD have a limited size of storing a data, whenever DVD has a higher capacity to storing a data, means you can store as a 4.7 gigabyte to 8.5 gigabyte storage capacity. CD and DVD both are a same red laser light that is reflected in particular area of spine. Now CD has a 12 centimeter diameter disc with single sided. Okay, so DVD that divided on two type, single layer and double layer. Single layer means the spiral, you can see here the spiral, right? It is upgraded up to 5 kilometers. If DVD is a single layer, it means the length of spiral is single. If DVD coated with a double layer, it means the length of the spiral is double layer. Okay, so double layer means it's coated with gold color. Single layer means it's coated with a silver color. But double layer have a storing capacity of 8.5 gigabyte, when single layer has a storing capacity of 4.7 gigabyte. Now then last one is that Blu-ray disc, right? Now CD upgraded as a DVD for a storage, upgraded of storage capacity. Next DVD upgraded as a Blu-ray disc as per storage capacity, means now you can store so many data in a single disc as using a Blu-ray disc. But the name is Blu-ray disc. In a CD or DVD, the laser light that is reflected in a red color, whenever in the Blu-ray disc the laser light reflected as a blue color, because its name is a Blu-ray disc, right? Now another thing is that Blu-ray disc means you can store a largest amount of data up to 50 gigabyte, right? Now it is more than 5 times storing capacity of DVD and about 17 times storage capacity of CD, right? Means it is a higher storage capacity in the Blu-ray disc. Another thing is that DVD that is divided on two category, that is a single layer and double layer. Whenever Blu-ray disc only categorized as a double layer, means there are a double layer of spiral to storing the data as a land and bits. So you can see that it is a reflected laser beam and the color is reflection is blue. Now it is the most important thing is that optical disc. There are 3 types of optical disc. It may be asking in your exam, give the difference between CD versus DVD, otherwise give the difference between DVD versus Blu-ray disc. Okay, so it's in single slide you can categorize all 3. First of all, CD and DVD both are reflected as a red color, red laser light. And the storing capacity of CD, that is 700 MB. Whenever DVD storing capacity, single layer can store 4.7 gigabyte, when double layer can store 8.5 gigabyte, right? Single layer means silver color, golden layer means gold color. Okay, whenever CD only use single layer and silver color. And third type is that Blu-ray disc, means it is blue laser light for read and write data, and storage capacity that upgraded as a 15 gigabyte as a double layer, and you can store a high definition movie, games, whatever. So these are the basic difference between CD, DVD and Blu-ray disc. CD and DVD that are use a red laser light, and then DVD use a blue laser light. Thank you.